Christmas Day car crash claim life in St. Anne. Two hospitalized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 29-year-old St. Anne resident succumbed to injuries on Christmas Day in a motor vehicle crash in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's, Jamaica. He has been identified as Devorah Raymond of Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay, St. Anne's. Two female occupants of the car are said to be in hospital in serious condition. It is reported that sometime after 6 on Christmas morning, persons in a Toyota Mark X motor car were returning from a party when Raymond went to Discovery Bay to drop off two family members and was returning to Runaway Bay when the accident occurred. The three were now traveling towards Runaway Bay when on reaching a section of the road near the Bahia Principe Hotel, the driver of the motor car lost control and the car crashed. Raymond, who was the driver of the motor car, reportedly died on the spot while the women were rushed to hospital. Saturday morning crash following two other incidents in the parish on Friday which claimed two other lives. The accident occurred despite the warning from transport officials to motorists to exercise caution on the nation roads during the festive season. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.